So I just finished this book by Dr. Reginald Cherries on God's ultimate plan for health. It's so interesting. Number one, he said we need to follow a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, and avoid processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy diet. Consider biblical dietary guidelines such as those found in Leviticus and Deuteronomy. Number two, we need to exercise, engage in regular physical activities to maintain fitness and health, and incorporate both aerobics exercise like walking or jogging and strength training. Number three, practice spiritual practices, spend time in prayer and meditation to reduce stress and improve mental health. So my habit is I meditate early morning. Okay, then after that, I pray at night. Okay, regularly read and reflect on the Bible for spiritual nourishment and participate in communal worship and fellowship for social support. Number four, rest and Sabbath. There must be a day that you must rest, okay? So for me, it's every Saturday and Sunday. So you ensure adequate rest and sleep each night. Observe a weekly day of rest. Number five, mental and emotional health. You must practice gratitude and maintain a positive outlook on life. No matter what happens to your life, you need to be joyful and pray, okay? And practice gratitude. Address emotional issues through therapy, counseling, or prayer, and forgive others and let go of past grievances. Life is all about letting go, guys. So we need to forgive and let go, okay? Don't think so much, okay? You need to eat natural supplements, guys. So consider herbal supplements and vitamins to support your health, okay? We all know that right now the food in this in our country or maybe in this world, you know, there are so many pesticides, there are so many other things that we don't know what they put, right? Maybe metals, heavy metal that we don't even know. So we need to use supplements, right, to reverse engineer those bad things in our body, all right, those things that we eat or we don't even know what we have eaten, right? 7, we also need to do health screening. So do your health screening every year, all right? Number 8, cultivate strong supportive relationships with family, friends, and community. So Dr. Cherry actually emphasized that combining all these practices, right, can lead to a balanced and healthy life, aligning with God's design for our well-being. So if you are interested to know more about my supplements, right, please DM me for more information. It will really help you to reverse engineer all the conditions that you have, even diabetes, okay? We have a lot of clients who have eczema, also reverse, okay, on their eczema. So all these things can be helped, okay? So let me tell you more about my supplements. They are very rich in cellular absorption technology. So the moment you take the supplements, right, it will deliver nutrients at a cellular level, okay, for maximum wellness. Digestive enzymes, green food, amino acids, superfruits, phytonutrients, probiotics, vitamins and minerals, omega 3, 6, 7, 9, and we have zinc, we have echinacea, all inside. So we have very, very strong foundation on all these supplements that we need to reverse all these preconditions that you might have, as we have a lot of testimonials as well. So if you're interested to know more, right, DM me for more information and I'll send you the link. See you also in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!